Welcome to today's trade tracker. Today is August 12th, 2025. It is 7:52 p.m. Central Standard Time. And man, I'm telling you, I got some really, really good stuff to share with you. I'm going to try and be quick today, and I'll do a follow-up tomorrow on this. But today, what I want to cover is the Apex multiple time frame breakout strategy. This has been working extremely well, and I want to help a lot of you out there, start passing your evaluation accounts and start pulling some money out of these accounts. And I have a strategy here that's going to really help. I've been trading it for quite some time. It's 100% rule based. I have the trading plan all written out. I have ways of getting this over to you, whether you just want to follow the trades through some online live trading I'm going to have, or if you just want to get the software and the trading plan, just reach out to me. Just go to Apex Traders Club. Just go over here. I'm still working on my website. Just put your name and email and let me know what you're interested in as far as these performance reports I'm going to be sharing with you, as well as just being kept in the loop regarding the performance of this of the strategy. It's been working real well. So anyway, let me just dive right into here. I'm just going to show you the basically the strategy, how it works, and then I'm going to share with you the performance report. This is moving forward. This is a walk forward report I'm going to be sharing with you. I've done a ton of back testing on this, and I have a lot of reports I could show you, and I will be showing you with the Apex multiple time frame breakout strategy. I've been using it myself. I pulled out a lot of money from Apex out of this. I mean, I think I have over 30 evaluation accounts, and I don't know, tens of thousands of dollars I pulled out using this strategy, and it works. And I just want to help other people do it and start making money with these funded accounts over at Apex Trader Funding. Go over there. You can use the discount code funded, the number one, funded one at Apex Trader Funding, and you can get the current discount. Okay, first I'm going to show you the chart, then I'm going to show you the report, and then tomorrow I'm going to follow up with more details, about how the strategy works. But it's really quite simple. It's 100% automated. I tried to keep these charts as clear as I could without a lot of indicators and oscillators. There's quite a bit happening here behind the scenes through programming. I use the easy language software program to help automate this. But basically, it's a simple strategy and it works. I have the strategy references higher time frames on the tick charts. The chart that we have, our trigger chart, is the 42 tick chart. And when I get my automated breakout signal like we got here, what happens is automatically we have four contracts, four micro mini contracts. In this case, we're going long. We put a stop loss automatically of 100 points below. All four contracts are 100 points stop loss. And so if our stop loss gets hit, we're out. Okay. And then it's a staggered strategy. So we have our first profit target is 120 points. Our second one is 160. The third one is 270. And then I have a runner. And the runner moves up automatically depending on the volatility and depending on how many profit targets we hit. So for example, as you can see here, we hit, of course, the first profit target gets hit. The second profit target gets hit. What happens there is the stop loss gets moved up automatically to break even where the trade entry was, that little white line right there. That's the exact entry. Okay, and then we have our stop loss going across for the remaining contracts. And then when target two gets hit, then what happens is the stop loss gets moved up to target one right here. So basically, the stop loss moved to break even when target two is hit, and the stop loss moved to target one when target three is hit. So basically, as you can see right here, maybe I misspoke earlier, but right here, target two is hit, and our stop loss gets moved up right here. And then here, target 3 gets hit, and our stop loss gets moved up right here. So that's the highest our stop loss could go is up 120 points, unless there's another threshold where if the price goes 200 points beyond target 3, then this gets moved up to target 3. But anyway, it's a staggered stop loss. We move along here, as you can see, the price action went sideways and the runner hit over here for a stop loss of 120 points. So this trade was closed with 670 points. A profit was 1,340, and all of these are going to have 4 micro contracts. Okay, and then we just continue on. When the next, wait for the next breakout, and that one came over here. And then what happens there? Of course, a stop loss 100 points below. Enter 4 contracts. Right, target 1 gets hit, target 2 gets hit, stop losses get moved up accordingly. I'll continue with this in tomorrow's video, but today's video, I just want to pop over right away to show you how, we're going to be watching this moving forward every single day, and I'm going to be reporting on this every day as we move forward, because I have a lot of back testing, but what I want to do is do forward testing and show everybody how this works moving forward in the market, one day at a time. Some days are more active than others, okay? But here's the performance report, how it worked out, all right? Of course, you're trading the NASDAQ market. These are real trades, real results. A lot of these trades I'm taking real time, not all of them, because I'm tracking this around the clock, 23 hours a day. So obviously I'm not, taking all those trades because I'm not up all that time. But when I'm up, obviously I'm taking the trades that come my way. Like I said here, this is a walk forward analysis. All right, this follows the master trading plan, which I have, and I can get to you, which uses the 4 micro NASDAQ contracts. This is a high probability breakout and momentum strategy. Okay, it's like I said, you'll see moving forward how it works. Okay, these are some of the quick stats here. We started on July 23rd. Just a random date I started to start keeping track of this live for everybody. This one here goes through August 8th, although today's August 12th. I just spent the last few days actually working on this performance report and kind of getting all this organized for you. But moving forward, I'll be doing these more pretty much every day, as long as there's something to show in this report as far as any changes. The trading period was 13 days. The net profit using 4 micro contracts was $8,700. That's going back 13 trading days. Our win rate has been quite remarkable. I don't expect it to stay this high, but it has been 87.5% win rate. 7 out of 8 trades have been winners. Our risk to reward has been 3.6 to 1, and this is based on those three staggered profit targets we have, and then also, of course, the runner. And our profit target has been extremely high. I mean, the profit factor is over 25, which is remarkable. So I expect some of these numbers to come down a little bit. That is extremely good, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, here's the equity curve. Here's what it looked like. We started July 23rd. This is tracking every single trade. Every trade has 4 positions within it, as I explained earlier. So when I say trade, I'm referencing all 4 of those positions, right? The 120 stop, and then we have the 160, I'm not stopping, the 120 target, and then we have the 160 target, and then we have the 270 target with the runner. And this is taking into account, all 32 trades. And if we continue down here, I'll just point out some of the key metrics here. We had 32 total positions, of which were 8 trades. Like I said, 8 trades, but each trade has 4 positions. That's why there's 32. So you can look at it as 32 little trades or 8 major ones, however you want to look at it. This one here so far has been trading about 3 trades a week. Keep in mind, that's the trades, right? But each of those have 4 positions. So you can look at it at more, 3 times 4 is 12. So there's about 12 actual little mini trades in there per week. So this one trades about 1 to 2 or so, mini trades a day. So this is for day traders. This is not for scalpers. This is for somebody who wants to trade, in and out once or twice a day. I have another one for scalpers. Okay, our best trade in the last 13 trading days was a little bit over $2,200. So far, the worst trade has been 360. We had 6 wins in a row, one loss, a total of 7 winning trades and 1 losing trades, of which 6 of those were in a row. Our average win has been just under $1,300 per trade, and our average loss was 360. So it's been doing very well here. Okay, if you want to get a funded account, I suggest you go over to Apex Trader Funding. Use the code FUNDED1, and you get the current discount. And then, of course, keep in mind, you can head over to my YouTube channel, Facebook, or connect with me on LinkedIn as well. You can just go to those respective social media sites and type in Apex Investors Club, and you'll be able to get to the YouTube channel, Facebook, and also Mark Anderson at Apex Investors Club at LinkedIn, and you'll find me. So if you want to be kept in the loop on these performance reports, I'll be updating this regularly throughout the week. So keep in mind, just head over to my website, which is Apex Traders Club. Just jot down here email that you want to be sent the performance report, and I'll be glad to email it out to you a couple times a week, keep you updated. And then if you want to start following that strategy, we're going to certainly have some upcoming sessions, both live sessions, as well as some recorded sessions to kind of get you up to speed. It's not hard to do. It's just consistency, right? You just got to know what the rules are, which I'll be glad to share with you. Be consistent, and I'll be here every step of the way to I can also text you some we get some of the signals here, let you know what the stop losses are, and just help you as we move along here. So stay positive, keep trading out there, and we'll talk more next week. I'm sorry, more tomorrow actually about some of those additional trades that took place in the following weeks. After that first example that I showed you. So some really good stuff. Stay tuned, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care. All right, bye-bye.